friends, I am Sheetal and welcome back to TargetStudy YouTube channel. Today I am here with the details of one such course that can really enable you to play an essential role in the field of healthcare system. No, I am not talking about physicians, neither I am talking about nurses or any other indoor medical staff. These are the professionals whose role starts well in advance. These people play a very important role but always work behind the scenes. If you are still guessing, then let me put your mind to rest. I am talking about Medical Laboratory Technician and the course is DMLT, that is Diploma in Medical Lab Technology. If you are looking to make your career in the field of paramedical science, then this video can be worth watching for you. By the end of this video, you will definitely get answers to most of your questions related to DMLT, like what exactly DMLT course is, what are the required eligibility conditions to join DMLT course, what are the skills required to do DMLT course successfully, how to join DMLT course, what is the fee structure of DMLT course, what are the career prospects and job opportunities after completion of DMLT course, what is the expected salary or pay package after doing DMLT course, which are the top recruiters of DMLT degree holders and much more. So guys, let us start with a very basic question, and that question is, what exactly DMLT course is? DMLT or Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology is a 2-year entry-level program designed to impart the knowledge of inspecting, testing and identifying various diseases. Divided in 4 semesters, this practical skill-oriented program is designed to give you deep knowledge of various functions in the medical lab. In this course, you learn the analysis of human fluids like pericardial fluid, peritoneal fluid, pericardial fluid, urine, blood samples and other specimens. DMLT course has various specializations to offer the candidate such as microbiology, clinical chemistry, clinical biochemistry, biostatistics, molecular biology and applied genetics, clinical pathology, hematology, immunology and immunological techniques, radiology, electron microscopy, coagulation, parasitology, biomedical techniques, cytotechnology, ultrasonography and bacteriology. Now when you are well aware of the course, you would like to know about the eligibility conditions to join DMLT course. So guys, if you want to join Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology course, you must have done your 12th class with physics, chemistry and biology as main subjects, having 45 to 50% of minimum aggregate marks at this level. Along with fulfilling these eligibility conditions, you must have certain set of required skills to be able to do 2 years DMLT course, like you should have analytical, judgment skills, you should have ability to conduct research and perform designated tasks with good speed, efficiency and accuracy. Basic computer skills can have an added advantage to complete this course, besides having discipline, attentiveness and patience to interpret technical as well as scientific data. If you are really looking to do DMLT course, then the knowledge of its admission process is a must. As far as admission process is concerned, there are 2 basic ways of providing admission to DMLT course of various reputed institutes. The first one, which is also quite common process, is on the basis of marks obtained in the qualifying class, that is the 12th class. In this process, a merit list is prepared on the basis of marks in 12th class and admission is given on the basis of this merit. However, some reputed institutes adopt the other method. In this method, the admission is provided on the basis of rank obtained in the entrance exam conducted at institute or state level. Now you would like to know the syllabus of DMLT course. DMLT is a 2-year program divided into 4 semesters which consist of classroom training, seminars and basic laboratory training. In DMLT semester 1, you will study subjects like human anatomy, fundamentals of MLT, basics of clinical biochemistry, basic human science, English communications, professional activities. In semester 2, you will study human physiology, basic pathology, fundamental biochemistry, microbial instrumentation, information and communication technology and community development. While semester 3 will consist of subjects like human physiology 2, clinical hematology, metabolic and technical biochemistry, technical microbiology, community development activities too. In semester 4, You will study histopathological techniques, clinical biochemistry, clinical microbiology, clinical pathology and pathology lab. This is a basic generalized syllabus of DMLT course. It can vary a bit depending upon the particular institute you have joined. However, the core content of the DMLT course will remain same across the institutes. Now let me tell you about some of the top DMLT institutes across India. If you are looking for some of the best government institutes, then you can go for Kanyakumari Government Medical College, Nagarkoil, Tamil Nadu, Calicut Medical College, Kozhikode, Government Medical College, Sangli, Indian Institute of Paramedical and Community College, Bangalore, Institute of Paramedical Management and Technologies, New Delhi, Medical College, Aurangabad, Medical College, Nagpur, Tripura Institute of Paramedical Sciences, Agartala, Government Medical College, Amritsar and Midnapur Medical College, etc. And if you want to join some of the best private institutes, then you can go for Anand Institute of Medical Science, Ludhiana, Om Sai Paramedical College, Haryana, Adarsh Paramedical College, Amritsar, Punjab, Arogyam Medical College and Hospital, Haridwar, Uttarakhand, etc. Now you would like to know about the fee structure of DMLT course. The fee structure for Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology may vary from institute to institute depending upon genre as well as the reputation of the college or institute you are going to join. On an average, the course fee may vary from Rs 5,000 per annum to Rs 1 lakh per annum. Now the most sought after question, that is, what are the career prospects and job opportunities after DMLT course? There are various career prospects and job opportunities once you have completed your DMLT course, and these are being increased with every passing day with tremendous growth in the private and government health centers. With diploma in hand, you can find employment in blood banks, nursing homes, pathology laboratories and private or government hospitals, etc. as laboratory assistant, consultant, lab supervisor, healthcare administrator, lab coordinator, laboratory information system analyst and educational assistant consultant, etc. In addition to these positions, you can also work as medical writer, MRI and X-ray technician, pathology technician, instructor or tutor and veterinary related assistant. Some of the top recruiting organizations that you can think of joining after completing your DMLT are: students after completing their course are successfully placed in some of the top recruiting organizations like Lalpath Labs, Max Healthcare, Ranbaxy, Apollo Hospital, Medanta, Fortis, Sun Pharma and other locally operating lab facilities. Now the most eagerly asked question, and that question is, what are the expected pay packages or salary after doing DMLT course? The average salary of a medical technician in India is around 2.4 lakh to 3.6 lakhs per annum, but with experience it is expected to increase up to 7 to 8 lakhs per annum. And there is certainly no upper limit for those who have established their own laboratory and are operating in some good localities. So guys, that is all about DMLT course, and we believe that the given information is sufficient to decide and pursue DMLT course. I hope you like this video. If it is really so, please hit the like button. For getting regular notification, please hit the bell icon. We'll be back with videos on such informative topics. Thank you for watching.